What's up, JG Nation? Thank you for watching JG Tech Vlog. It's your boy JG, and for today's episode, we'll be comparing the LG K20 Plus and the LG K30. We're basically going to be doing a gameplay on the LG K30 that just came out to Metro by T-Mobile, and we're going to be seeing how does it play compared to the LG K20. If this is your first time here and you want to know more about the latest promotions and phones at Metro, Cricket, and Boost, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button to be the first notified. We're going to go ahead and start, first of all, the apps. We're going to be doing a PUBG Mobile gameplay. So let's go ahead and see which one starts up first. 1, 2, 3. And if you guys haven't seen full comparison video, we'll have that linked down in the description. By the way, just some quick background about the specs. It is running a 1.4 gigahertz quad-core processor on the LG K20, and it is running a 1.5 gigahertz octa-core processor on the K30. So it's supposed to be much faster. Alright, as you guys can see, the K20 is already turning on first. Bam! The K20 came on faster than the K30. I'm not much of a gamer, but I have my good friend from Flow760. You can check out his channel down in the description, and he's going to be doing the full gameplay and seeing which one is actually a better phone to use for gaming.
What's up, JG Nation? I'm here to do a review about the LG K20 and the K30. So first off, we're gonna go ahead and just start off with the LG K20 right here. Gonna go ahead and sign in as guest on Battle Playgrounds. Alright, we were just setting both of these PUBG accounts up. Now we're back. We have the K30 right here on the very top, and then the K20 at the bottom. We're gonna keep continuing with the K20. To mention, while setting these up, the K20 during the whole setup process and just load times was significantly faster than the K30. So I guess for the LG K20, the default graphic settings is actually going to be set to low settings because that's what this device can actually perform. And you can see that in the top message, graphics have been set to low based on your device. So that right away just tells me the GPU and processing on the K20 is not as high as I thought it would be. So let's just go ahead, jump into a game and see how everything performs. Alright, as you can see, we're in a game now. Another squad of 4. Actually, oh wow, that's actually, the frames are dropping pretty low. Just gonna go ahead and turn up the volume, test out the sound quality. It's not bad. So as again, we're just here in the waiting. We're just in the pre-game lobby, just waiting to take off in the plane. So as you can see, graphics. This is graphics set to low, but this is the best you're gonna be able to get out of the LG K20. So we're just gonna go ahead, jump out early without our team, and dive straight down. So my character model is actually kind of pasty, but that's just because of the low GPU. What we're gonna do now is just dive down, find a weapon, do a few sound tests, see if it lags while aiming, running, and doing multiple things. We left off on the parachute, but now we're in a house with a gun. We're gonna go ahead and just do a few shots to do a sound test at full volume. So sound volume for the gun is actually not that bad. It does lack in other areas, and honestly, the only thing really suffering on this device is just the graphics. Now in my hands I have the LG K30, and we're gonna go ahead set up the graphics. As you can see, same message pops up, graphics have been set to low based on your device. Honestly, that's kind of a letdown. I thought the processing GPU on this would be a lot higher. Alright, so on the LG K30, loading the game in actually was a lot faster than the LG K20. We're gonna go ahead, turn the volume up, see how the sound quality is. Right off the bat, you could tell that the K30's sound quality and volume itself is actually a lot higher quality. And it's actually a lot louder than the K20 and much more clear. The graphics itself seem to be a lot better than the K20, even though both settings are set to low. On the K20, my character's model, it was a lot more whiter and just pasty, but with this character model, It's actually a little bit more detailed and colored in. Oh wow. So with the K30, that frame drop is massive. Wow. That is bad. Compared to the K20 just smoked this in processing, which is really weird. We're gonna go ahead and test out the sound quality along with the gameplay. I am fighting someone right now, and my friend just got him for me, so we're just gonna finish him off. Oh, looks like my teammate actually finished him off, but as you saw right there, when things started to get pretty intense, the fighting occurred and whatnot, it lagged behind really bad. And honestly, for a K30 with a 1.5 gigahertz octa-core, going up against the K20 with a 1.4 gigahertz quad core, that was pretty bad. The quad core outperformed the octa-core in this scenario, and with less gigahertz as well. So someone right here trying to shoot at me. Let's see if maybe we could get out of it. Oh, he's still alive. Oh, he's prone. Alright, we downed him. We're just gonna go ahead and finish him off with our fist for JG Nation. Come on. Almost there. That's one for JG Nation. Let's go. But yeah, that one came out pretty smooth. I guess it just depends on the interaction, but overall, it lags behind way too much. Yeah, in general, if you're just trying to play the game, I would not recommend the K30. The K20 will outperform it. I would recommend just getting the LG Stylo 4 instead of the K30 if you really are into games. It will perform way better.
There you guys have it. Thank you to Flow760 for joining us and doing that gameplay. Go check out his channel. I'm gonna have it linked down in the description. As you guys did see, the LG K30 was not really good in terms of playing games on it. Maybe PUBG, just too heavy of a game to play. But honestly, like he recommended, I would say the LG Stylo 4 would play as good, and they're not big of a difference. The LG Stylo 4 is going for $149, and the LG K20 Plus is for $129 right now at Metro as of November 15th. So that's just my recommendation. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next one.